These days, everything became online. Programming and web development got much importance and prioritized. So, if you are proficient in programming, you can get a great job with good income, or else you can create a website of your own and gain fame. Irrespective of your trade or age, everyone can easily learn coding if you are interested in. And also for free. So let's explore some of the websites which provide great courses and train you for free.
Programmis. So let's see how this website looks like. So this is how Programmis interface looks like. So here we can find a lot of courses, Python, C programming, JavaScript, etc. So let me show you if we enter into a course how it looks like. So let me select Python. So we can find tutorials, examples, online compiler as well. So this is an ordered list of the tutorials. So if we see the keywords and identifiers, so here it is the deep description about keywords and identifiers. You can see this. So if you are learning from scratch, if you don't know anything about Python, but still you can become a professional in Python by learning Python in this program is because everything is explained very detailedly. So if you learn all this, you can get a lot of knowledge in Python. And one more thing is you can find a lot of examples Python language. So these are some popular examples how to add two numbers, how to check whether it is a prime or not. So if we select this example, you can get the Python program to add two numbers. One more advantage with this program is you can find an online compiler here. That means you're not needed you're or not required to download any one more app like Python. It's really not required to install any Python or PyCharm. You can practice coding in this online compiler itself. So let me do it for you. This is where you write code, and this is the output window, and here you can see the output. And one more advantage with this program is if you don't have any laptop or computer, but still you can practice Python using Programmis. That is, you can get Python mobile app. So through this app you can practice programming in your Android device itself. So let me introduce one more website in through which you can learn code for free, the Odin project. So this is the one we are searching for. So this is how it looks like. You can check your progress here, and there are a lot of courses like web development, Ruby programming, databases, HTML and CSS, etc. So if we get into one of the course to explore much, so let me get into HTML and CSS. So this is how the page structure looks like. So this is a list of what you're going to learn. So this is about CSS and this is about HTML. If we go for HTML basics, so actually you have to go in an order, that's your wish. So this is about introduction and these are the learning outcomes. That means you're going to learn all this in this session. So this is a assignment. That means you can read some articles related to HTML, or else sometimes they will provide some videos. That means you can check those videos and to get much knowledge. And these are some additional resources. Khan Academy. So let's see how this website looks like. So I think many of you know this already, but let me show you once more. Let me just Khan Academy. Yeah, here it is. You can get a personalized learning experience from this Khan Academy. You can select different courses. So this in this video I'm talking about programming. So I have selected computer programming, computer science. So There are many courses related to computer programming. So as you can see, there are a lot of courses: Introduction to JS, Drawing and Animation, Introduction to HTML and CSS, Introduction to SQL, and etc. So if we go for Introduction of JS, that is Drawing and Animation, let's see how it looks like. Uh, so there is a video for this, so you can understood better through videos. So if you feel the same thing, you can go with this. So here you can find the video, and this is about it. And if we go to the next lesson, this is a challenge. So after watching all these videos, you can go for this challenge to improve your skills. So this is one of the best and attractive website. So you can go for it and make your learning fun.
This is one of the great website where you can learn coding for free.
And also in a great method. So let's see how it looks like. So here it is. So if we get into solo learn, it looks like this. So there are a lot of courses here. So let us get into Python. So here it is. So there are totally 92 lessons, but very short lessons. You can complete it very fastly. So here how it looks like. This is a complete mapping of Python. So let's go to basic concepts. So I have completed first one. So let's go for second one, your first program. So if we get into this, here it looks like it's an information. We can try it. So if we click on try it yourself, a new window will get open. So here we can try writing our code. So here they have already gave the code. So if we run it, we will get the output here. And we can also do it here. So like this, we can code ourselves in here. So this is like a question. So fill in the blank to print hi. Print. So in this way, we can learn Python like playing a game in an Android phone. A fun way to learn. So this is the one of the best website to learn, and it functions same like Codecademy, but in Codecademy only few courses are for free, but here in Solo Learn every course is for free. So you can absolutely try this. edX. I think most of you heard about this edX platform because it's very popular, and you can find a lot of courses in this platform. So let's see. So you can find many courses from many popular institutions here, not only about computer science or programming, but you can find a lot of courses from different trades. So here are the courses from computer science, language, data science, and etc. So in our video, we are talking about coding. So let's go for Python. So there are a lot of Python courses here from Harvard, IBM, Microsoft. So let's choose this. So you are going to learn all this, and Everything is provided, every detail is provided here. So this is 2 to 5 hours per week. So if we view the course, this is about Python basics for data science, and it is for free, and you can get much details by clicking on it. And if you are ready for the course, just enroll and start learning. Now let's see one more website, that is Codecademy. So one of the best attractive website we're gonna see. So let's go. So this is how Codecademy looks like. So if we go to catalog, you'll find all courses. There are a lot of courses in Codecademy. So data science, web development, and many more. So you can learn HTML, Python, JavaScript. So let me show you how it looks like. So if we go for Python, so I have already completed some part of Python in this. So this is how the coding interface looks like. So here will be the instructions and matter to learn. So you can gain knowledge as well as do the practicals itself. So you can get hands-on experience. So it will be much interesting too. Here they asked us to click run. So if we do this, you can go to the next chapter. So in this way, it will be much interesting. So you better try this.